Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing a mystery box, and this mystery box is actually from Charlotte TIlbury. She launched these the other day. It was a couple weeks ago. I meant to get this video up earlier, but I've been crazy busy and I've had so much to get up. But I feel like you guys would still enjoy this. I know you can't get these anymore, but I still think it's kind of fun to see what is in here, and she does do these from time to time, so you can kind of get an idea if these are worth it or not. I know she did one of these around Black Friday time, and I was like this close to ordering one, and I never ended up doing it because I got the Jeffree Star one instead. But I saw she released them again the beginning of July, so I wanted to try it and see what we got. I don't have a ton of Charlotte Tilbury products in my collection. I have like one lipstick, which I really enjoy. I also have a couple blushes, and I've tried her highlight and contour palette, but I really don't own a lot from her, so I thought this would be a good box to try. I do really like her whole concept. I love like the old Hollywood theme, and her packaging is beautiful, and there's definitely a couple lipsticks that I've been wanting to purchase and I've had my eye on, so I might be getting those soon. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to see what we got in this mystery box. The cost of this was $129, and it said you're supposed to get at least $180 of product. It says 4 full size and 1 travel size. I don't know if everyone got the same thing. We'll have to see, but I don't know. It was kind of pricey, and it wasn't like, I feel like it wasn't that much of a discount, but Charlotte Tilbury stuff doesn't go on sale very often, so I figured it might be worth it to just try it. Anyways, shall we go ahead and see what we got here? I'll go ahead and unbox this packaging here. Alright, so everything comes really fancy. Apparently, if you order from her website, you get like, your receipt comes in one of these, which is kind of like when you're ordering like a luxury handbag. It comes in an envelope, which is so bougie. So I have my receipt here and a return label, and then they did include a couple of samples in there. A sample of the Goddess Skin Clay Mask and a sample of the Magic Away Liquid Concealer, which I have not tried either of those. And then the actual mystery box, I guess, is in here. So this is the Summer Mystery Makeup Box 2019. They actually labeled it on the back, so now I'm like, I bet everyone got the same things, but we will see here. I'm definitely going to keep this box because that is super cute. Okay. So the first thing that I got is, let's go with the most exciting thing. We got a palette, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury The Icon palette. It says Eyes to Hypnotize. This has really fun packaging. I've only tried one of her palettes before, and of course I don't even remember the name, but it was very lackluster for me, so I don't know. I'm excited to be able to try something else and see if it's any better. So here we go. This definitely looks like very 80s packaging, super fun. And then let's see the colors. Okay, so here is the colors. It kind of looks like it's going to be a very bright palette, but then it actually is pretty neutral, and then it has like a couple pops of color in there, which I do prefer that. I do like neutral palettes. There is maybe like 3 matte shades in here, and then the rest are shimmers, so I'm definitely excited to kind of play around with this. I do think this is a really nice product to receive, and just a really lovely neutral palette. I'll go ahead and swatch some of these. They feel really smooth, so that is awesome. They actually feel better than the other palette I've tried from her, so that gives me hope that this is going to be pretty good. Here's just a few swatches of some of the, I guess it's like rose gold kind of shades, really pretty. So that is the first product in here. I guess we should look up how much this is. This palette retails for $65 and has really good reviews. Alright, so on to the next item. We did get, this is I guess the sample size. This is the sample of the Charlotte's Magic Cream. This is like her #1 moisturizer. People used to like be obsessed with this stuff, and I never really got like into it too much. I know it's like heavily scented, so I try to stay away from too much fragrance, but I know a lot of people say that this stuff really is great. But it has like a kind of a strong floral smell. The size of this though is actually pretty good. It's not too small. We got 0.52 ounces of product in there. Okay, so looking up this retails for $29 for this size. So far we are at $94. And then it looks like we got a mascara, possibly a full-size mascara. It says Full Fat Lashes, 5-star mascara, curl, separation, volume, length, and drama. On the back it says your search for the one is over, my perfect 5-in-1 mascara. So this sounds like it's going to be amazing. It's in the shade Glossy Black, and yes, it is full size. So looking on her website right now, this mascara retails for $29 and it has very mixed reviews. It's kind of leaning more towards bad reviews, so I'm a little nervous, but you guys will have to let me know if this is any good. I'm still going to try it out, but yeah, it's only a 3.7 stars on Charlotte Tilbury's website, so that makes me a little nervous. The next product that we got is a lip luster, Luxe Color Lasting Lip Color, and the shade is number 1, I think, maybe? I can't see a shade name. Oh wow, this is like really neon, but I'm sure it's like super sheer. This is it says Hall of Fame is the color. I was not expecting that at all, but it looks super fun. Let me swatch this for you. It smells good, but it's, like I said, it's like super sheer. These lip lusters retail for $22, and once again, they have very mediocre reviews. It's rated 3.6 stars out of 5, and it retails for $22 if I did not say that already. It's described as a sheer glossy pink gloss. Alright, and then the last thing I got, this is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand. It says Easy Highlighter. Ooh, so this is what that looks like. It looks like it's going to be a liquid highlighter, and the shade is Spotlight. Ooh, so it has a little poof on the end, and then you twist it and squeeze the product out. The color is stunning though. You guys can see that. It looks really nice. So I'm really excited about that. I have high hopes that this is going to perform really well. And this one, it looks like it retails for $38, and it has really good reviews, so that is good, a 4.5 star review. I'm definitely probably the most excited about this and the palette in the box. I believe that is everything I got, so let me go ahead and total everything up for you. Alright, so it looks like the total box value was $183. Like I said, I paid $125 plus tax, so it came out to $138, which was my total. So basically I saved like 49 bucks on this box, which I don't know, it's a pretty good savings, but it's not like amazing. Like a lot of boxes are usually at least 50% off basically, but I feel like we did get some pretty good products. There's a couple in there that don't have the best reviews, so I'll definitely have to test them out, but I feel like this box is kind of fun to try if you guys haven't really tried much from the Charlotte Tilbury line. I don't think I would buy another one of these boxes though. I just don't think the deal is that amazing. Like basically we get like one free product or so. I don't like that they put travel sizes in here. It would have been nice to get like an actual larger size product instead of that mini moisturizer cream. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just kind of very mediocre about this box. I don't think it was amazing, but it also wasn't awful. We didn't get like super crazy shades or anything like that. Let me know what you guys think down below if you guys ordered one of these boxes. I'm pretty sure everyone got the same items, which makes it kind of boring in my opinion. I like to see like different things, but I guess it's just kind of their way of getting rid of stock of certain items. But yeah, like I said, I don't think I'll be ordering again personally. I don't feel like it was worth it to me. $125. I spent a lot of money on those products, but that's kind of my opinion. Once again, let me know your comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.